like a lot.
Alright. Checking in, this is That's Trending, another episode on currently trending live. You don't know Brooke Valentine in the building. Brooke Valentine herself. So we have a couple topics right now. We just need to touch real quick. First of all, Bun Gay flag. So see a video go around with Bounty Killer basically I say, yo, there's no color or no flag can be owned by people like that. What's your feedback in terms of you must say, yo, them not own no color, them not own no flag, them not own nothing that a God creation. So all them for take it upon themselves and I talk about rainbow flag for them and all of them thing there. So theme thing is the color them are for everybody. Them not own nothing.
Well, maybe in a Jamaica, them not own nothing. Let me tell you something. I came here 10 years ago and I was in a color belt. Downtown New Haven, Connecticut. And somebody asked me if I was gay.
Just because of the color?
Just because of the color of the belt. So it might not be a big thing in Jamaica, but if you're weird, the gays, them own it, yes, sir. Maybe not Jamaica, but them own it. Them own it, yes, sir.
So you think we should not look at it as them own that color, them colors there. Suppose a normal man want wear regular colors, you know what I mean? Him can't got certain ends and then I colors them. People are gonna look on him and we like, yo, you the in a pink and what go on? Rainbow color. You go on a certain garrison in Jamaica, you know that's a no-no.
It's a no-no.
So you feel like we should look at the flag and give them the right to say, all right, this identify gays, the colors.
Yeah, me don't know what they want. Give them what they want.
All right, me disagree with them. I don't feel like they want nothing neither.
Really?
Same way. Because colors are colors. I don't feel like because a man wear a pink suit, him gay.
No, but for them think colorful. You know, the pink, green, it's just a colorful flag.
What go on with fashion? What happened to some youth straight and them just like fashion and that can be them thing with them dressed up a bunch of colors. Remember back in the days when Bogle do road, I mean a full black though. But as dancing evolved, you see Elephant Man with a color here. Right. Elephant Man again. And he used to wear that and express himself in a creative way. RDX, same thing.
So you just feel like them shouldn't get the flag?
You feel like it no matter what color a man wear, if a man straight, make him action tell that, not necessarily color we have wear.
Okay.
So me look on it. So
people, it's too much.
See you think about Bounty Killer?
Bounty sounds very ignorant. But okay. All right. All right. He sounds very upset.
You don't know Jamaica, I only have a few artists who uphold the culture of dancehall. But now I gotta say, dancehall definitely a change. But you know, there are only few people who uphold the culture of dancehall. You know, so I feel like the color should define a person for being gay or not. I feel like their action and who they identify should determine that. If that makes sense.
And that makes sense.
So, me support what the killer say on the levels there. You see me? Alright, Spice have another hernia. Now, this is a sad news. She announced it on Love and Hip Hop. My feedback is simple this. Wish her nothing but the best. You know what I mean? Despite our situation or what she go through as an individual, I hope so she, you know what I mean, go through it. Health is wealth.
Yes.
You see me? So prayers out to Spice and her family. I hope so she stay in a good health. Your feedback?
What is causing these hernias?
I think it's all of the surgeries, you know.
Oh, all of the surgeries.
Surgeries. Every time them cut her open,
okay.
You know, I don't know if it's just when them not sew her back properly or something of that nature. You get what I'm saying?
What kind of surgery Spice go to know? What was wrong with Spice?
Well, I don't know, you don't know everybody how to do them body these days.
Okay.
I mean, it'll get so common now anybody how to do them body. It's not even nothing phenomenal anymore for say.
Me never see nothing wrong with Spice in the first place. But I feel like it's just the pressure of Love and Hip Hop. That's what's causing it.
What the fame and the standard and the status and the image.
Call our friend body do bad. Me not tell no lie. Carly, your body don't look good at all.
Trouble in them town. Number one question right now, just asking, does Dexter Apps have the best vocals in dancehall? Would you say you have vocals like TJ, Dexter Apps? Who else me think is a bad singer? I don't know if you know Iwayne, but Iwayne voice bad. But him a culture artist. But would you say Dexter Daps have the baddest vocals currently?
I think so. I think so.
What about Ja Vinci?
I don't feel like nobody a beat Dexter Daps. Something about Dexter Daps' voice.
So you feel like him have the best vocals currently?
Yes.
Okay.
Nobody just not drop when him other artists. Just drop for that.
So Dexter Daps win.
Dexter Daps definitely win.
All right.
I'm not even really a Dexter Daps fan, but
Lyrically, it has been said before, I don't and Vibes Cartel, the best lyricists. You know what I mean? But do you agree, I mean, with upcoming artists like Chronics? I mean, like upcoming artists like Chronic Law. Them man, they're full of bars, full of lyrics. Would you still feel like I don't and Vibes Cartel is still the best lyricist in dancehall?
Cartel, yes. I don't know. I feel like he has competition.
Wait, that's say man competition. Or you wouldn't list the competition.
You said Chronic, he's actually good.
Chronic Law.
Yeah, him good.
Him very good.
Very good. I like him.
So me that say in my view, Vibes Cartel, I mean that say I don't know and Chronic Law they on the same level lyrically, not necessarily they on the same level as an artist. You have to understand. I don't know definitely that's a different level than Chronic Law. Chronic Law is a artist with bad and I do him thing and I create him own wave, but I don't know definitely cement him name in a dancehall and I do him thing. So you have to give homage where you know what I mean?
That's
Where
true.
it's due. Vibes Cartel receive a plaque for Fever. You see, that went silver. 200,000 copies sold.
As
Congratulations to Vibes
As
Cartel.
it should. Big up yourself, Cartel.
Great work. I feel like Vibes Cartel just keep making historical moves and still staying consistent.
And very
Even
much
behind
relevant.
bars. Like, me not get it. But youth, yeah, do it.
Yes.
Me can't say nothing about it. Him a do him thing and him stay relevant. And all of the new artists where you notice are come up. If a 50 new artists are come up, 20 or 25 out of 50 are give him homage.
That's true.
It's like nobody, you don't have the majority of artists will not salute Cartel.
I mean,
Majority
they
of
have
them
to-
are saluting
Them
him.
have to respect the boss.
Is
They
it me?
have to respect the boss.
I just some
Yeah.
other artists now salute Vibes Cartel when they really dip on the side. Because once some artists link with Alkaline, they not salute her. Them not salute Cartel, none at all. Like 450, nah go salute her Vibes Cartel. 450, nah go say Cartel. Because the Alkaline is him roll it straight. You get what I say? Me nah say them no respect Cartel as an artist, but to salute him, nah. That's not something them are gonna do. Valiant drop Mad Out.
Oh, God.
No. The reason why we're going to talk about Mad Out is not because him drop a song, because Valiant always a drop good songs. But what do you feel back on Mad Out?
This song mad.
You like it? You think it have
Me
a
like
vibe?
Me like it have a vibe, but this song just don't make no damn sense. You see the music video?
Alright, I'm going to be honest. The music video to me is crap.
It is. It just look.
The music video crap. The song itself, it have a little vibe, but more to say it my favorite song.
No.
But it a rack up numbers.
What a fuckery. You know, people love fuckery.
People love
once
fuckery.
Once it has a good beat and you put fuckery in the beat, people are like it.
Exactly. But send, you know what I mean, big up to Valiant. Him a do him thing, him a keep film fans them fed with music what them like. But it's not necessarily my personal favorite. I feel like Valiant have better songs.
Yes.
Way better songs. On to the next. Drift. Let's bring up Drift because of one main important reason. Drift have a lot of controversy around it for the last couple weeks. You know what I mean? But my question is Drift still the number one song for the summer? And overlapping songs like Taliban,
Yes.
Drift a beat,
Yes.
Jano.
Yes. Which other dancing song? Which other song right now are top drift? People in a bathroom and ear drift and run out. Them no bother want to use the bathroom.
In a party.
In a party. Me push down people figure dance to drift. Me no business. I love drift. It's a good song.
And you know, Sam do a very good performance at Sunfest with Drift. So, you know, big up TJ again for create another song where people can enjoy themselves,
Yes.
feel good, and have fun. You know what I mean? And there's a dance feed, so you don't know, say dancers them out. I have to be honest, every party where I go, it no matter how bad the selector is, when the party are trickle along to the last, you hear the drift beat.
Uh-huh.
It a close the party in most cases. You know what I mean? You have a song where say, Rich fucking them chopping and the song they are going, you know, but it's like Drift really just it all it own and it a do it job.
Yes.
Big up to TJ again for that. Alright, so sad news, but it's not something we're proud for talk about. But Mad Cabra faces 30 years in jail, right? After him get pulled over for, drugs and gun charge.
Jesus.
Now, to me, why me even mention this, it was just so ironic to me that Tommy Lee was just on stage the other day. And Tommy Lee was just saying to himself, say, yo, try your best now go this way. You know what I mean? Even though he must say, it worked out for him in the best way because he used to pop pills and have a bunch of girls in our room and I live the modest life. But he must say, I'm glad him did get locked up because it kind of humbled him and put him in a place where he put him life in a best place now. And then the man say, yo, a worst place that for you go, try to avoid it in every cost possible. Now we hear so when a veteran DJ, them Mad Cabra himself, you don't know them man they sing songs like Flex, get himself caught in a situation like this. Now, an artist just like a normal person. You know what I mean? Just like a youth in the streets are doing thing. It's just sad when we have role models.
Yeah.
Put it on the level there. Forget about Mad Cabra, the artist. Forget about just the charges. This person is one of the artists them where me that say go up on Billboard. People identify him as an artist from Jamaica. So him hold the flag Jamaica high to a certain standard. Him dep on a lot of reggae shows. You know what I mean? So him been a create waves, and if you see me in a situation like this, it's sad. I don't know if I said, but just hope that it's a situation where a man can learn from the situation and just like Tommy Leader say, the best outcome out of it. Even though I know you say him dep on bail still.
Hopefully he has a good lawyer.
Jano, a good lawyer can really definitely make a difference in a most of situation them. So hopefully him have a good lawyer.
Yes.
One shout out to a couple of the artists that I must say have corporate backing, not just for shout out sake, but I feel like it's good when I see the artists them do well and corporate company decide for work with them. Artists like Ding Dong, we just see him drop a Grace Mackerel commercial.
That's it.
Valiant been a work with Digicel, and you don't know say that's a good look. And Rose Dunn definitely a work with Link. Link is like the Jamaican Cash App, isn't it? So if we say artists get corporate backing is good, but no surprise, they are definitely linked to Ramesh Entertainment. So so when they link with Ramesh Entertainment, the opportunities and doors will open.
Always.
Because of the brand that he has created. You get what I'm saying? So we have to look on it from that perspective. Shenseea, latest track with Chainsmokers. What's your feedback on that song?
I like it.
But do you
Is it
love
my
it?
favorite?
Do
Do
you
I
love
love it? No, but I can listen to it because I like Chainsmokers.
Yeah, but
So I kind of wanted to see how her voice and his voice was gonna come together and make a song. When me hear it, if you like pop, then you're gonna like the song. Is it my favorite song? No. Will I play it a lot? Hell no. But me like it. It's alright. Yeah, you can listen to it.
all right.
I just wish we get the old Shenseea, please give us some old song, man. Like give. Oh my God, it's getting hard to defend you.
You know who are my favorite song right now where I feel like I do very well? Jada Kingdom.
Yeah, she's doing very well.
She dropped a song, I Don't Give One Fuck.
She's been dropping a lot of songs.
That song has definitely been a good song. I see the girl them are running that song there. You see me? And big up Byron Messiah same way, cause you don't know him get a Billboard plaque for No Love.
Oh.
You know what I mean? So big up that same way. And the G a do him thing, you know him do Taliban and him a do him thing. And definitely Stark Ashley. But I just want to talk about Stark Ashley for one reason. I feel like Stark Ashley becoming one of my favorite artists.
Okay.
Feel like she interesting. I like her vibes. Me just she drop a freestyle. She drop a freestyle and she drop it on her page. And it was very interesting. She full of lyrics. So big up Stark Ashley said speed.
Okay. I wanted to know if you like the Taliban remix with Burna Boy.
Taliban remix with Burna Boy is not my favorite. It's okay. It's normal. It's just like another artist jumping on a big song and it just now go get the numbers with the big song though. Because the big song definitely have the genuine original vocals, harmony, lyrics, vibe. Burna Boy jumping on the track, don't get it twisted. It's good because Burna Boy is the bigger artist. But at the same time, Taliban is just Taliban. You know, so you have some song that become bigger than the artist. You have artists right now who have song were bigger than them. Them can't reach where song reach.
Jesus.
Big woman thing. And some of those artists would have been considered like one hit wonder. Like for example, Biggs done song bigger than him.
Oh gosh. What him there? He making a song?
I don't know, but that's what I say. Biggs done song bigger than him. When you think about boy Afi, it's almost like Biggs done last.
Man gone.
So artists, be careful. When you make a song, don't make the song become bigger than you.
Don't.
Yes, so I said it was a public announcement to Dexter Apps. Brother, whenever you get this, just listen. Please, me I beg you. Stop making some of my man there fret, bro.
Oh God.
Bro, and every one of them confident, bro.
Stop let out the woman them. That's it. That's it.
Yo, some of
Till
my
I be staying in our yard.
man them not confident for make the woman guys that got on Dexter Apps show. You know?
Why?
You know what
Why?
I mean? Because me see man, Mr. Dexter Apps a give girl them instruction for on stage like I'm woman.
Oh God.
And them a listen.
No.
Them hypnotize.
The funny thing about this, isn't Dexter Apps married? I heard he's married.
No comment.
Boy, all I can say is God gives his strongest soldiers some battles, because all I know is Dexter Apps' wife, you're very strong. You're very strong.
If he married for true.
If he married for true. If him have a girlfriend for true. Married girlfriend, fiance, it doesn't matter. Either way, she's very strong. Me personally, me couldn't do all of that.
You couldn't do it none at all.
Hell no. First of all, me not there with Dexter Apps in the first place. Me not there with him.
Saying. Definitely, yeah, again. Big up Dream Weekend this weekend.
Oh,
People
I've always wanted to
people
go.
go to Dream Weekend and don't know. Big up Dream Weekend, said speed.
I've always wanted to go.
You don't know your best weekend ever too. You know, so that's a vibe. Everybody go this weekend, and people who have broke them bank account for got Chris Brown concert. Big up on yourself.
I'll take out loan figure Chris Brown concert. In the favor, idiot. I want to pick me. I did for hungry.
Trouble in them town.